Hello there. So this is my screencast for my e-profile. That is for my digital media and social computing class at ATU. This is me, Patrick Lowen, and the landing page is my personal page. At the top, you'll see some other buttons here take you to the digital badge page, my technical interest page, and my technical art blog. More on those to come. Let's scroll down here. Let's get to know this chap. This is a painting of Leonardo DiCaprio from The Great Gatsby that I did with a bit of a graffiti Louis Vuitton pattern behind it. And you can read a little bit about how that's made later on. So, a little bit about me. If you click this video, it's what I call a one take Drake. I did that in one try. I just wanted to keep it nice and genuine because that's me in a nutshell. And there's a little write up about me. It kind of paraphrases some of the stuff I said in the video. It all keeps to a really similar theme about my art and my family. My art, not just being my paintings, but the music, and as well, I think my chef career. And it all kind of ties into my family as well, because that's really the source of inspiration in my life. It's a bit about my life as a chef. This is a 20-year chapter, so it's quite a lot about me. And there's a video here about the Delata Chef Live competition I won the year before, and I judged that competition. And there's an instructional video here I made on how to make fish tacos, in case that's something you'd like to do. And then this is a live feed to my Instagram. So if I put up a new post, this post here will move. They'll all move, and the newest one will appear here. It always shows my last 6 posts from Instagram on here because that is my most active social media. And then down here at the bottom, you can get to my artistic Facebook, my artistic Instagram. You can email me, or you can see my general YouTube page, which is a variety of things. So if we go to this digital badge page, it's going to bring you to the digital badges I won, a little write up on each of those as requested, and there's links to my social media at the bottom there again. And if we go to technical interests, you can see the photography, photo and video editing, AI generated art, social media marketing, and digital music creation. And there's my social media links again at the bottom. So we go to this last button here, and that is going to take us to my technical blog. That's an animated video I made about a poem by a chap named Ernie Klein. That's quite good. A little write up about it. A bit about the sustainability in my artwork. These are high street fashion police officers I made using AI, some custom painted hoodies, incorporating more AI into my artwork, and using AI to blend my teacher with Paul Newman. Oh, sorry, there's one more. As promised, Leonardo DiCaprio as the Great Gatsby. And we end where we began. I hope you really enjoyed this. I'm 20 seconds over time. Ladies and gentlemen, good night.